Post-construction attic monitoring for drywood termites is essential because infestations often hide in cavities and only become obvious through frass and swarmers. Start by conducting a systematic visual inspection of insulation and roof joists for frass pockets and tiny kicking dust trails. Use a bright flashlight and a mirror to view behind obstructions and inside voids. Probe suspected wood with a thin awl or small screwdriver to detect soft galleries, but avoid large holes that spread infestation. Install monitoring stakes made from untreated wooden blocks or commercially available stakes in accessible voids, and check them monthly for fresh frass or boar dust. Mark dates and observations in a log so trends are easy to spot. For localized active colonies, consider targeted localized injections of approved insecticide into accessible galleries using a low-pressure injector, or for larger infestations, use whole structure heat treatment performed by trained technicians to raise wood temperatures above 120 degrees Fahrenheit for the required duration. Always address conducive conditions at the same time, repairing roof leaks and replacing wet insulation to remove the moisture and cellulose that attract colonies. Wear a dust mask and eye protection when handling frass or disturbed insulation, and bag samples in clear plastic for identification by a pest professional if you are unsure. Homeowners commonly miss small frass piles because they assume attic debris is just old insulation dust, so keep a consistent monthly checklist and focus on new accumulations near seams and junctions. Another frequent issue is placing monitoring stakes only at the attic perimeter where activity is rare. Instead, distribute stakes near damaged timbers and known entry points, and rotate their positions each inspection. Many people treat only visible wood and forget to repair roof leaks that created the entry pathway. Pair any localized treatment with prompt roof and flashing repair to prevent reinfestation. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors who can inspect attics and perform termite treatments, and we help contractors find work from people actively seeking those services. We also host a discussion community on the site where homeowners and professionals share photos, observations, and practical tips about attic monitoring and treatment.